Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to connect Unstoppable Crypto Wallet to decentralized apps. First, launch the Unstoppable Crypto Wallet on your device and log in using your credentials. Now go to the dApps interface. You can also access dApp interface using their browser on their website. On the dApp interface, find and click the Connect Wallet button. This is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Now select Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. When prompted to choose the wallet, select Unstoppable Crypto Wallet from the list of available wallet. A prompt may appear asking you to authorize the connection between dApp and a wallet. Review the permission requested by the application and tap Connect or Authorize to proceed. Once connected, you should receive confirmation message from the dApp indicating that your Unstoppable Crypto Wallet is successfully linked. You can now interact with dApp using your wallet. This may involve making transactions, accessing service, or participating in DeFi protocols. If you want to disconnect your wallet after using the dApp, you can typically find a disconnect option within the dApp setting or wallet connection menu. You have now successfully connected your Unstoppable Crypto Wallet to decentralized application. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.
Since not all it places.